All right, so this is a transformation. So what is y equals x squared? What does that look like? Can somebody tell me?
Parabolic.
Yeah, it's parabolic, and it's symmetrical about the y-axis. So, and the vertex is at the origin, right? So it's just going to kind of do one of these deals, right? What does this -4 do though?
That's to the right. Well, since it's not in parentheses, it just moves it down.
Yeah. So consider this, guys. X. I want to remind you of this. X minus h squared plus k, where h comma k is the vertex. Technically, we have an a in the front too, right? That's now my parent function. If I were to consider my parent function, y equals x squared, what's my h value? 0. So this means that h equals 0 and k also equals 0, which means it has the vertex here at the origin 0, 0. Now, when I have that -4 on the outside parentheses, okay? You guys interested in some snack food for the robotics club? I better read that. I want some snack food. Because it's on the outside of the parentheses, it probably has to do with the k. In other words, I could think of it like this. Y is equal to 1 times x minus 0 squared minus 4. Now, mathematically, if I expand and do all that, well, I put h. I meant to write 0. So if I say x minus 0. So where would the vertex be on that? 0, comma 4. But the -4, it really just shifts us down 4, down here, right? So the graph kind of looks exactly the same, like this. Now, I'm sketching this real quick because I'm trying to do about 20 problems in 40 minutes. But I want you guys to be a little more accurate when you're doing your graphing. I want you to plot at least 3 or 4 points. So if you were to do this thing for real on the test, what I would want you to do is something like this. Maybe make a small table. Well, you don't even have to write down the table of values. You can do it in your calculator. When x is 3, what's your y value on this one? Well, let's write it out so you can see. If we do x comma y, when x is 3, y is 3 squared. And then -3 would be still -3 squared, which is 9, right? So what I want you to do is when you graph this, just maybe just kind of graph it somewhat accurate. Maybe make the point -3 comma 9 and 3 comma 9. All right. And then whatever that y value is, you're going to subtract 4 from it, right? So this would be 3 comma 5. That makes sense? So if I go to 3, this would be 3 comma 5, 3 comma 5, -3 comma 5. This would be the point 3 comma 5, and then down here is 0 comma 4. And my smart board isn't being so smart today. I recalibrated it, and it just isn't cooperating on the calibration part. This point should really be down here somewhere. Does that make sense to you guys? Okay. Good, good, good.